Hi, this is Dr. Robert Kuhn, and I'm here with one of my great patients, Salvina, and she has experienced some really tremendous changes since being in my office, so I just want to ask her about this and let her talk to us a little bit about what she's experienced. So, when you first came in, I know that you were dealing with low back pain, headaches, neck pain, chronic fatigue, and several other issues, and I don't think, and you can correct me if I'm wrong, I don't think that you had ever gotten an actual diagnosis of fibromyalgia.
No.
But your symptoms were very concurrent with that. So anybody that's dealing with global muscle aches, pain, fatigue, and things like that, you were very much like a fibromyalgia patient. And I don't even know if you were aware of that or not.
I didn't.
Okay. But one thing that I remember that really struck me when I first met you was you said that you were just a mess, and after you came to my workshop, you kind of felt like I really understood what your problems were.
Yes.
Do you remember that? I mean, do you really
Yes.
feel like...
Yes, I felt like someone was listening to me after years of trying to get medical attention and going to different doctors. They would just try to prescribe painkillers, or they said that I needed antidepressants, but they did not understand what was happening to me, and you actually were listening to me and you understood what my needs were.
Well, yeah, and that's great. And I know we did a lot of testing on you. We found some food sensitivities, I think.
Yes.
And the one thing that I really appreciated as your doctor was that as I watched over the weeks, very quickly within the first few weeks you started care, you seemed to be happier and happier each time I saw
Yes,
you.
I'm happier. I'm not in pain. I don't get headaches. I do have food sensitivities that I never knew that I did have until you decided to put me on this program. And it's working. I'm also losing inches off my waist as well, and have energy. I feel a lot better. I'm able to work out and do exercising that I was not able to do for many years, and I was gaining weight and not knowing why I was gaining the weight. I think it was because I wasn't as, I didn't move or have the flexibility that I needed.
Sure.
And no headaches, no migraines. I think I live with those every day of my life for I don't know how long, for many, many years.
That's amazing. So would you say that your family definitely notices a difference?
Oh yes, my family notices not only that, my whole attitude, going home is a lot happier, and I'm less stressed because I'm not in so much pain, and everyone is noticing how I look, and my kids are commenting how I have a different aura about me.
Yeah, well, and like I said, that's kind of what I was talking about. I've noticed that for sure since you've been coming here.
Yes.
And I want to say that it couldn't have happened to a nicer person, because you are genuinely a very nice, incredible woman. So I'm so happy for you that you're doing well.
No, I'm glad. I'm blessed. I think when Rebecca and Ashley came to deliver the mail where I work, was like God sending his angels to me. And saying, because I was telling my husband, I just need someone to listen. I need help. I need to feel better. And them walking in and saying, oh, we're having this, what was it, a class?
A workshop.
A workshop. Why don't you come and listen? I was very impressed with what you had to say, and your care and your staff. And the girls, I mean, they're wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. I'm blessed.
Well, thank you. I appreciate that. I know they do.
And I mean that.
I know you do.
I do.
And I think I know the answer to this last question, but if there are other people out there that are watching this and they're suffering, would you recommend that they do this type of care?
Oh yes, do it. Do it. It changes your life. It changes how you feel. It improves everything all around, for yourself and for the people that are around you. I mean, I was in a lot of pain, and I'm not in pain. I mean, it's a day. I feel so much better. 6 months later, I'm very happy.
Well,
I recommend it. He's the best. Go see him and his staff. They're great.
I appreciate you doing this so much, because there are a lot of people out there suffering, and maybe them watching you can help them. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
I appreciate you.
My pleasure. Thank you.